Namaste, friends. Let us see today how we can preserve the traditional Ugadi Pachadi that we make during our Telugu New Year. Our Ugadi Pachadi will consist of 6 different tastes, and few people add different ingredients depending on their liking and availability. Here I am using the chopped pieces of raw mango. This is for astringent taste. Then tamarind extract for the sour taste, jaggery for the sweet taste, Himalayan rock salt for the salt taste, neem flowers for the bitter taste, and finally black pepper powder for the pungent or spicy taste. Next, we take a sterilized glass jar and add all these ingredients into this jar, one after other. So, about a bowl of raw chopped mango pieces, then a quarter teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt, and it is as per your taste. Then we add the quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, then a quarter bowl of dried neem flowers. I'm using dried ones because the fresh neem flowers are not available here in US. Then a bowl of tamarind juice, which I have extracted by soaking tamarind fruit in water for an hour and then filtered it. And finally, we are adding a half cup of jaggery. Just leave a little jaggery aside so that we can add the jaggery from top after stirring all the ingredients well. Spread the jaggery from top nicely so that there won't be any other contamination taking place. Then close the lid and allow the contents to ferment for 3 days. Stir the contents well up and down morning and evening, that is twice a day. This will be released during these days, and then finally the jam like Ugadi Pachadi will be ready, which we can store for the whole year and enjoy its benefits. It would be highly rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, a great immune booster that would help us to stay healthy throughout the year. Thank you all so much.